Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable the automatic startup of the Magnifier tool at login in Windows 10. This feature is particularly useful for individuals who rely on magnification for better visibility. So, without further ado, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Start by pressing the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu. Step 2. Next, click on the Settings option. It can be identified by the gear-shaped icon. This will take you to the Windows Settings menu. Step 3. Once you're in the Settings menu, locate and click or tap on the Ease of Access icon. It is represented by a person's silhouette. Step 4. In the Ease of Access settings, you'll find the Magnifier option on the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and click or tap on it. Step 5. On the right-hand side of the Magnifier settings, you'll see a checkbox labeled Start Magnifier after Sign In. Simply check this box to enable the Magnifier tool to automatically start at login. And there you have it. You've successfully configured the Magnifier tool to start automatically every time you log in to your Windows 10 account. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching.